There is a lot of debate about the impact of automation on U.S. jobs. Robots have already displaced millions of manufacturing workers, and automation is getting cheaper, more capable, and far more common in the much larger services sector. This area includes everything from truck driving to banking and has far more jobs than were ever found in factories. VOA's Jim Randle reports.
5 million U.S. manufacturing jobs disappeared in recent years. While some politicians blame trade, many economists say automation is mostly to blame, as robots took over many routine tasks previously done by humans who made better than average wages. Self-driving cars and trucks show automation's growing impact in the far larger services sector. Millions of human jobs are at stake here, according to an expert at the University of Virginia's Darden School of Business, Professor Ed Hess.
Yes, it has happened, and yes, it's going to continue to happen at even larger numbers, because we're just at the beginning of automation of the service sectors, and it's going to be broad and it's going to be deep.
Hess says fast food jobs are vulnerable as companies install electronic kiosks to take restaurant orders, though McDonald's says displaced workers will be reassigned to other tasks. Hess says research shows nearly half of U.S. jobs could be automated, including retail stores, doctors who scan x-rays for disease, and administrative, legal, and middle management jobs. Banking shows automation changes but does not necessarily end jobs for humans. The first automatic teller machines, or ATMs, were installed 50 years ago and grew to 420,000 in the United States alone. But an analysis by the International Monetary Fund shows the number of human tellers did not drop, it actually rose a bit. Tremont Capital Group's Sam Zion spoke via Skype.
I think that because humans, were primarily doing, mostly service and routine types of tasks that could be converted into more automated tasks, the humans then became far more valuable in customer service and in sales within these branches.
Science says automation can be scary, but the care and feeding of complex ATMs created new kinds of work for tens of thousands of people. Many experts worry about the employment impact of the growing capability and number of robot drivers, computer kiosks, and other kinds of automation, including advanced forms known as artificial intelligence. But in an interview with Mike Allen of Axios, U.S. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin says it is 50 or 100 years too soon to worry.
In terms of artificial intelligence taking over American jobs, I think we're so far away from that not even on my radar screen.
But other experts argue the problem is already here. Jim Randle, VOA News, Washington.